Welcome back to Outback Polaks, where we're starting off 2024 the right way. Right, Amanda? With adventure at Ifly, Brisbane. I've done skydiving before, so this was very interesting.
There's a lot of core control.
Here's the video. Are you excited? Yeah. Are you excited? So, are you excited?
Very.
I'm excited. Here we go. I'm going to try to go all the way up. But we're not allowed to take cameras in with us, so that's a shame. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It could be our last vlog, as per normal. What do you think, Isa?
No, it was really good.
Are we going out doing the real thing?
No, hell no. That'll do me.
Papa, real thing? No. I've been to the real thing twice. I'm up for the real thing. So compared to real skydiving, that was quite challenging because like you've really got to do your body control. While skydiving, you're in tandem. You're not doing anything except falling and screaming. So that was really fun, and obviously half the price of the real thing as well. So, would I recommend it? Absolutely. And you can be 3 years old or 100 years old, it doesn't really matter. There's a few conditions that you must fill out, but it's a lot of fun. And for an extra 20 bucks, you get to go really, really high. So come in, enjoy. That was really good fun. If you want a discount, we're affiliated with Klook, so you can book it through Klook and get your Outback Polaks discount. The Outback Polaks code is here. So go and enjoy Ifly wherever you are. I think they're all over the nation, and I actually think they're all over the world as well. I had to prepare Lucinda for her real flight in Poland that we're gonna do in summertime. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and we'll see you on the next adventure. 2024 starting the right way.